Who's that?
Bakit
Hey,
kaya dami?
what's that?
One of subscriber of Mr. Marwan came.
Okay.
He's riding a Lexus car.
Okay. Who's that
He
one?
said, give to Mr. Marwan.
Subscriber of Marwan?
Ay, wow.
He's giving chicken?
Ay, wow. Bakit kayo dami?
Oh my god. That's a lot. Ah,
Bakit kayo dami?
we better put it on the chair first. Put it on the chair. That's a lot. Ah, chicken. We'll better make a menu today made of chicken.
Calderita?
Yes, chicken calderita. Mar,
Huh?
what do you think? Why he is giving Marwan chicken?
Maybe he's seeing you
Seeing me what?
vlogging about cooking.
Oh, maybe he's also my subscriber.
Ay, wow.
Oh, what a nice guy. Thank you for giving the chicken. Hope it will be lamb next time. Today our menu is chicken calderita. These are the ingredients we need for the recipe we have today. Green peas, tomatoes, garlic, salt, black pepper, red and green bell pepper, carrots, potatoes, red onions, oil, beef cubes, tomato paste, chicken. Actually, this menu, you can replace the chicken also with lamb if you want. Now we will be slightly frying our veggie ingredients. Put a little amount of oil on the pan. Little only. Slightly fry the potatoes. Light frying only. This will help making the veggies firm. Next will be the carrots. Next will be the bell pepper. Now we will be slightly frying also the chicken. Now chicken is almost brownish in color. Now we will remove it. Now on the same pan that we used, we will saute the garlic. Next is the red onions. Now put the sliced tomatoes. Continue sauteing the garlic, onions, and the tomatoes until the tomatoes will be tender. Now we will add the chicken. This chicken is around 1.5 kilos. One whole chicken and another half chicken. Then add 1 chicken cube. Add water around 1.5 cup. Or 2 if you want it to be more watery. Cover, then let it boil, waiting for the chicken to be tenderized. Now the chicken is almost done. We will add now the tomato paste. Continue cooking for a while, for around a minute. Now let's add salt and pepper. Now let's add the potatoes, carrots, mix well. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now we will add the bell pepper and the green peas. Smells good already. Cook it for around a minute and kalas, it will be done. This is now the chicken calderita. Ingredients and measurements in the description. Mahal,
Yes,
now it's your time.
it's my time. Let me taste. Looks delicious and the smell, OMG. Does this... I don't want this, I want this. Look at that, guys. Shoof. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Allah. تسلم ايدك يا حبيبي.
بالعافية. How is it?
مرة طعم.
Alhamdulillah. Please subscribe in YouTube and follow in Facebook. Thank you for watching.